Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Anurag. Yeah, my name is Anurag, aka Pimple Monster, and today's video is a vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. So, this day was the day I was turning 16, and also a very famous festival. I guess the one of the most celebrated festivals in India, which is Diwali. And most of you guys watching this video, according to my YouTube analytics, are not from India because 65% of my viewers are not Indian. So I'm assuming that you guys don't know what Diwali is. So it's just a festival of fireworks, of light, and of family gatherings. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because I am going to be really frequent in uploading. So make sure you subscribe. It doesn't take much effort. It's just one touch or one click if you're on laptop or a PC. So the day started at 12 a.m. or the vlog started at 12 a.m. It was midnight. It was the day me and Piku 360 or Priyansu Mishra or anything. He changes his name way too much. So he and me. So we both were turning 16. So we were replying to calls, thanking everyone for wishing us, texting everyone for wishing us, and after that, of course, we had a good night's sleep.
नहीं बा प्लीज है नको डालो ऐसे प्लीज
So the next morning when I woke up, Piku 360 and my elder brother were already gone to my father's office or shop, whatever you want to call it, to clean everything up and decorate for the puja. So after I woke up, it was around I guess 8:30 or something. The first thing I did was I took my dog to a walk, and after like 15 and 20 minutes, around 15 and 20 minutes, we came back up.
Boy 50.
So after walking my dog, the first thing I did was, of course, I watched all the videos like Bro Moments, Umpaville, PewDiePie, Villainy, I'm Alex, James Marriott, and everyone uploaded a video that day. I don't know why. So after that happened, my mom asked me to take some, like a few dal or pulses to the states and give it to the birds. So I did that. So originally I was planning to do a normal vlog, not a vlog where I narrate the story, but it has turned out to be the narrating type of vlog. I don't even know if I'm recording, I can't see shit. And I can't lie, but the reason I couldn't do the normal vlog is because when I looked myself in the front camera, I realized that I'm not the most beautiful of people in the world. So I was like, I need some good lighting, and I can't have good lighting everywhere. So as always, narrating vlog, and now the shots of the city. It was kind of scary because I decided to climb to the top of the water tank. So the ladder which took me to the top of the tank was like very old and it was all rusty, and I had to almost jump from halfway down because I was so scared that I'm gonna fall. So it was kind of scary. And I had a phone in my hand. I didn't have any pockets in my shorts or anything, I held my phone with one hand and I was climbing down the. I was not scared about myself, but I was more scared about my phone. So I'm having food. It's not homemade. It's from some stall in the woods. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see my plate, but you have to look at it. So after I came down from the terrace, there was so much work to do in the house, like cleaning up things, changing the bed sheets, changing the pillowcases, and lighting up, like putting some nice lights in the house, and bringing, like, cleaning the puja stuff. And if you guys don't even know what puja is, it's like a ceremony or something where we worship the god and all. So I had to clean things for the puja and all. So I took a break, and that's when Piku and my elder brother returned home. My elder brother had to, like, go to the barber and get his hairstyle done. Piku was like really bored. He had nothing to do, so he wanted me to come with him downstairs to, like, burn some crackers and blow up some beautiful fireworks. And we did that, and it was absolutely not beautiful. It was shit, it was trash. So this year, my family decided that we are not going to add up to the air pollution, which is already happening by the more important stuff like vehicles and other things. And crackers and fireworks are like useless. It's only for our enjoyment and all. So we decided not to buy anything, but it's a custom of our family that we at least have to blow up like some crackers, not many, but at least some. It's a custom of our family, so we ordered some crackers and bombs and fireworks and all. So as I already mentioned, that I decided that I am not going to add up to the air pollution and blow up any fireworks this time. So I kept my word. I didn't even touch anything. Everything was done by my elder brother, Piku, and Piku's younger brother. That's later in the video, but right now it was only Piku. And after that, we came back up and had more work to do. And after the work, the house was ready, everything was looking like perfect.
Boy 50.
And now it was time to go to my father's office or shop, whatever you want to call it, and perform the puja there. So after we reached there, it was around 8:30 or 9. So after we reached there, we had nothing to do because the pundits are nothing but priests. If you don't know again, the pundits were kind of very late. They were supposed to be on the shop by 9 o'clock, but they were like 40 minutes or 45 minutes late. So we had pretty much nothing to do. We were just fucking around and doing stupid stuff. And Tanik's Vlogs and Experiment, who is my brother if you guys don't know, he came. We all were just hanging out. I met my cousins and all.
Stinky poop. Poopies. Funny poopies. La 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 la. Funny poop.
So after the puja was done, it was around 10:20 or 10:30, and as I told you guys, the custom in my family says that we have to blow some or the other crackers or fireworks after the puja. So Pico and my elder brother did the thing by blowing up a 2000 ledi. I don't know what is it called in English, but it is basically 2000 chili bombs connected, and they blow up all one after one. It's like pat 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 pat. So you guys will get the idea if you watch what I mean. So and also I hope you didn't forget, but it was also my and Priyansu or Piku's birthday. So my family decided to celebrate it by cutting the cake, a very small cake, because me personally I don't like celebrating my birthday at all. I hate it, man. I just hate it. So so after the cake cutting, it was once again time to blow up some more bombs. So we did that, not we. I was just recording, and my brother, Piku's little brother, and Piku were blowing up crackers, and I was recording. So here. वो तरफ है। अरे पागल है क्या ये? अरे पागल। अरे अरे हटो। It was around 11:30 when we decided that we have to come back home to check on Bozo and check if the AC was on and she had water in her bowl and if she needed to poop or something, because on Diwali the air pollution is very high and the sound is unbearable. So we did that. We checked on Bozo, and then we met with some friends. We wished them happy Diwali and they wished me and Piku happy birthday and all.
वो आवाज कितनी बार गई मालूम है क्या हो रहा मालूम बेचाने की कोशिश करे जा रहा तो सेक्स लिखा जा रहा
And after everything was done here, we decided to go to Piku's place to blow up some more firecrackers and fireworks. So we did that, and here are some, like, personally I feel like this is like the one of the most beautiful things I ever captured. So I hope you guys like this montage, man.
Boy 50.
After all this, we decided to take 5 minutes of rest at Piku's home place or house or something. Man, I'm really frustrated because I am recording this for the fourth time in 3 days and it's really irritating. So I'm sorry if I look pissed or something, and I'm not. I love you guys. I love you. And after all of that air pollution and shit, we decided that it's time to stop it. And it was 2:30 a.m. So it was very late, and we were so hungry that we like searched almost like one third of Hyderabad for food, and we finally found the place there where we can eat, and it was Sri Balaji Dhaba something. And once we finished eating, we rushed back home. It was around 4:30 or 4 in the morning. And as soon as we came back home, Piku and my elder brother they crashed on the bed, and I, on the other hand, watched PewDiePie's video and Bra moments and Ompa Will's video, and after everything, even me, I was really tired, so I decided to sleep around 5, I guess. And that is how the day ended. If you guys are still watching, I'm pretty sure you liked the video, because if you didn't like the video, you would have already clicked off the video. So you liked it, make sure you like it on YouTube. If you are not subscribed and you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow my dog Bozo on Instagram, and I guess that is it. Peace.
Every motherfucker for his contest. Take the bottom of the other's case.